Ndewo. Ndewo kekime. Ahambijoma. Ene watragi nkuzi Igbo. Okay. So today I decided to go live to answer a question that I've been asked a few times. So I've had this question by Amy. Amy asked me how long will it take her to learn Igbo. So she was telling me her level. She had already had some lessons, but she wanted to become fluent, and she was like, "How long will it take?" Okay. I've also had a question by Philip Nolan. He asked, "What is the difficulty? What's the difficulty level of Igbo language?" Okay, again, that's not an easy question to answer because it depends on a lot of factors. It depends on you, actually. It depends on your motivation, your why. Why are you learning it? How badly do you want to learn it? Okay, it depends on you to start with. How badly do you want to learn it? Why are you learning it? Okay, and it depends on the time you've allocated because you have to bring out time every day. The time you've allocated to learning. Well, have you brought out 15 minutes or 30 minutes to learn? And have you made it a habit to practice it with every opportunity that you get? Okay, so it depends on a few things. It also depends on if you've surrounded yourself with people or systems to keep you accountable because it's easy to start a thing, but finishing it is hard. Okay, but if you have people that are supporting you, people that challenge you, okay, that don't let you rest on your oars, people that say, go on, keep on, go on, you can do it, you can finish it. Okay, so those things are the things that will determine how long it will take you to finish learning Igbo. However, I've decided to go further and do an experiment, okay? So I've decided to put myself in your shoes, okay? I'm going to be a student of a language. It's not Igbo because I know Igbo, in case I've chosen to learn Yoruba language, okay? I'm going to learn Yoruba language over 12 weeks. And I want to see how much I can learn in 12 weeks, okay? And I'll be documenting it and I'll let you know, okay? So I've opened a separate YouTube channel just to document my progress for learning Yoruba. Okay, it's not only Yoruba on that channel, but that's where I'll be documenting my learning. So that's actually my accountability system. Okay, because I want to be uploading there weekly my progress in learning Yoruba, so that will keep me accountable and make sure that I keep on and I don't stop it. Okay, and at the end of 12 weeks, I'll tell you how much I've learned. Okay, and you can find out again how much I've learned by then. All right, so back to you. So I want to know, are you really ready to speak Igbo? You know, remember I said it depends on why you're learning it, depends on how bad you want it. Do you really want to speak Igbo? I know people that want to speak Igbo by 2020. I know people that have made up their mind to speak Igbo by the end of this year. Are you one of them? Are you one of those people that is ready to ditch every excuse to just make it happen? Okay. If you are one of those people, then I invite you to join the VIP waitlist for the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp. Okay, we have one more bootcamp to run for the year, and that's it. Okay, just one more bootcamp for 2019. It's not open yet, but if you hop on the wait list, you'll be the first to know when it opens. And you'll not only be the first to know, there's a special bonus that's only available for people that are on that wait list. Okay, so the link for that wait list is in the description. So if you're ready, you're committed, you're ready to move on and start speaking Igbo confidently, get yourself on that wait list, okay? Because then you know when the bootcamp opens, and like I said, it's the final session for the year, and you will also get the bonus that is specially made for the people on the wait list, okay? Right, I think that's what I have for you today. The other thing I want you to do before you go in the comment section, okay? Because this bootcamp, actually, I have been updating it regularly. I've kind of been co-creating it with the former students. Okay, so they'll jump in and will tell me, oh, we would like this to be in the bootcamp, and I'll just put it in. Okay, or we would like an audio to download, and I'll just put it in. Okay, they keep suggesting things to put in there. Before, I didn't have an audio; it was just video and PDF. I've had suggestions to put in audio. Actually, that was also a suggestion by my own coach. I put in audio, and people really love it. It's something that you can download when you're in the bootcamp. Where am I going with this? Where I'm going is that if you just imagine yourself, you're in that bootcamp, Igbo Speakers Bootcamp. I want you to think hard and tell me what feature would you like to see in that bootcamp. that will make it a no-brainer for you to hop in when it opens. So what is it that you would see in this Igbo Speakers Bootcamp that will make it a no-brainer for you to be part of it? Okay, so it's a group coaching. It's only 6 people in a group. There's not lots of people, 6 people in each group. Okay, and I coach them weekly. Okay, and the next bootcamp is going to run for 8 weeks. So imagine that you're in this bootcamp. What would you like to see? What would you like to learn? What kind of media, audio, video, written? What is it that you would like to see in that bootcamp that will make you, oh, come on, I must be part of this bootcamp? Tell me that feature in the comments. Okay, right? So what would you like to see in this program that will make it a no-brainer for you to be part of it? Okay, because I'm not creating it for me, it is for you. So now that I'm updating it and having a look at it again, okay, I want to hear your thoughts. Oh, ngwano, kodi dalu na sukwibo.